Here I have fake Oppo, and let me show you how to clear the browser on the following device. So at the very beginning, open your browser, then slide up the lower bar, tap on asterisk icon, and now go to history. Now by tapping, for example, on today, you can select one from the following sites, keep for a while, and remove from your history. You can also go to some older sites, just tap on older, and do the same thing, remove from history. You can also remove some saved pages if you have some, and also bookmarks. That's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.